Just wanted to come on here and share with you that the plant based bundle goes live today. 95 plus ebooks, courses, and programs. Something for everyone. We've got healthy recipes, self wellness. You've got healthy dressings, juice and smoothie recipes. It's a 98% discount. Basically, if you keep scrolling, you'll see there's over $2,700 in resources. And you'll see some of these creators that you recognize in here. Really going to be one of the best bundles I have ever seen. I'm very excited and honored to be part of it. If you can see on my screen, you'll see plant-based holidays, meal plans, accelerate your dream body, everyday vegan dinners, where do you get your protein, my start salading book. I know that's a funny picture of me. Plant-based drinks, easy raw vegan recipes. You'll see she has 30 dressings, sauces, and dips, how to juice cleanse, raw roots, creamy copycats, our raw vegan ice cream, favorite shop treat creations from chickpeas with love. You'll see whether you are brand new to raw vegan, plant based, or trying to get started again, there is something in here for everyone. If fasting and rejuvenation, the mucusless diet healing system, it's really a great collection. It's only $50. Everything separately for 2,700. After the 10 days, it's gone. So I'm just going to keep scrolling. I would love for you to grab it. There's my books in here. You can see it has reviews. You can actually browse this. I have put the link here. I would be honored if you use my link. And if you reply and say, JJ, I used your link, I'm also going to be doing a drawing where you could win one of 3 grand prizes from me. And I think you'll really love these prizes too. Oh, and I'm going to give you my new meal planning tool. It's interactive. So based on what you love, it's going to give you a meal plan that you can try for 3 days. It's going to be awesome for beginner raw vegans or high raw vegans.